Hello and welcome to this video on the Stream API in Java. In this video, we will discuss everything you need to know about the Stream API, including its purpose, usage, and examples. What is the Stream API? The Stream API is a powerful addition to the Java 8 release, designed to simplify the manipulation of data. It provides a collection of methods to easily process large amounts of data by dividing it into smaller chunks and processing it concurrently. The Stream API is built on top of the Collections API and offers a wide range of functions to filter, map, and reduce data. How to use the Stream API? To use the Stream API, you need to follow a few simple steps. First, you need to create a stream from a data source, such as a collection or an array. Next, you can apply one or more operations, such as filtering, sorting, or mapping, to the stream. Finally, you can collect the output of the stream into a collection or perform some action, such as printing it to the console. Let's now explore some of the most commonly used operations in the Stream API. Filtering. The filter operation allows you to select specific elements from a stream based on a given condition. For example, you can filter all even numbers from a stream of integers using the following code. First, we define a list of integers called numbers using the ErasersList method. This creates a list of integers with the values 1 through 10. Next, we create a new list called even numbers using the stream method on the numbers list. The stream method allows us to apply a series of operations to each element in the list. The first operation we apply is the filter operation. This operation takes a lambda expression that defines a predicate for each element in the stream. In this case, the lambda expression checks if the number is even by checking if the number modulus 2 is equal to 0. Finally, we use the collect method to collect the filtered stream into a new list called even numbers. And we print the output on the console. Mapping. The map operation allows you to transform each element in a stream into another element. For example, you can convert a stream of strings to a stream of integers representing their length. Let's see an example. The first line of code creates a new list of strings called words and initializes it with some values. These strings are just words that we'll be working with in this example. Next, we create a new list of integers called lengths by using the Stream API to manipulate the words list. We start by calling the stream method on the words list. This creates a new stream object that we can use to perform various operations on the elements of the list. Next, we call the map method on the stream object. This method takes a lambda function that is applied to each element of the stream. In this case, we're using the string length method reference to map each string in the stream to its length. Finally, we call the collect method on the stream object to convert the stream back into a list. We pass in the collectors to list method reference as an argument to specify that we want to collect the stream elements into a list. We then print out the lengths list using the systemoutprintln method. Reducing. The reduce operation allows you to combine all elements in a stream into a single value. For example, you can calculate the sum of all elements in a stream of integers using the following code. Let's start with this line of code. Here, we create a list of integers with the values 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 using the ErasersList method. Now, let's move on to the next few lines of code. Here, we use the stream method to create a stream of elements from the list of numbers. Then, we use the reduce method to perform a reduction operation on the stream. The reduce method takes two arguments, an initial value and a binary operator. The initial value, in this case, is 0, and the binary operator is integer, sum. The integer, sum refers to the static method sum in the integer class, which takes two integers and returns their sum. So, what the reduce method does is it starts with the initial value of 0 and then iterates over the stream, applying the binary operator to each element and the accumulated result. In this case, it adds each element in the stream to the accumulated result. Finally, the sum of all the elements in the stream is assigned to the variable sum, which is then printed to the console using the systemoutprintln method.